Your go-to shopping list. It's easy to get intimidated when starting a new diet. A common bump in the road is often not knowing where to begin. But if you're here, you've got the first step down, listening to your body and starting the search on how to improve your health and well-being. One of the best ways to feel comfortable in your new routine is with a bona fide shopping list that's easier to recall than your own phone number. This is a staple for any beginner who needs a foundation of delicious snacks and reliable go-to recipes. Especially with the keto diet. The basics to a keto basket. You've probably been hearing a lot of buzz around the keto diet. But is transitioning to this new diet really worth the change? Like any other diet, keto requires discipline and dedication, but it also has very specific requirements of being low carb, moderate protein, and high fat. Standard ketogenic diet. There are different versions of the ketogenic diet, and our version will be focused on the standard ketogenic diet (SKD), very low carb, moderate protein, and high fat. It typically contains 70 to 80% fat, 10 to 20% protein, and only 5 to 10% carbs. For a 2,000 calorie diet, that's 167 grams of fat, 100 grams of protein, and 25 grams of carbs. Note that if you're trying to lose weight, you may need to eat fewer than 2,000 calories per day. Consult with a doctor or nutritionist to see what's right for you. A new diet is a disruption in your normal, everyday routine, but if you keep thinking of your new routine as a hassle, then your new lifestyle will also feel like one. And where's the fun in that? Our simple shopping list is based off of delicious recipes that'll launch your keto journey beyond the first week. It keeps to the basics, so you'll feel confident and inspired to keep going, on your own terms. Once you gain momentum and settle into a routine, you'll find the transition a lot easier than you think. What your keto-friendly basket at the store should look like before you start shopping. Clear out any tempting carb-heavy items in your fridge and pantry, such as sugar, processed foods, breads and grains, starchy vegetables, and caloric sweeteners such as honey, jams, jellies, agave nectar, and so on. Listed below are the ingredients that make up a keto beginner's grocery basket for our go-to keto recipes. We recommend doubling up on the produce and protein so you can whip up your own creations at home. Produce ingredients: mushrooms, garlic, green cabbage, green onions, white onion, red bell pepper, spinach, romaine or leaf lettuce, cherry tomatoes, avocado, lime. Proteins ingredients: boneless, skinless chicken breasts, ground beef, breakfast sausage, bacon, eggs and dairy ingredients: cream cheese, eggs, plain, whole milk, yogurt, blue cheese, salted butter. Pantry staples ingredients: chicken broth, coconut cream, almond flour, soy sauce, vanilla extract, cocoa powder, monk fruit extract, almond butter. Spices and oils: garlic powder, salt, pepper, ground ginger, cinnamon, coconut oil, sesame seeds, avocado oil. 5 easy, affordable keto recipes. These 5 recipes are simple, easy to prepare, and packed full of flavor, leaving you completely satisfied after every meal. You might also recognize some of them as ones that you're already eating at home, just with fewer carbs. We wanted to make sure these recipes were familiar, cost-effective, and a smooth transition into the keto lifestyle. Keep reading for a sneak peek into the recipes and how they taste. For the full recipes, download our guide. Pro tip: each recipe is set up to make 2 servings, except the fat bombs, which makes 4. For those of you who love meal prepping, we've got you covered. Simply double or triple the recipes, prep them on a weekend, and never look back. 1. Creamy garlic mushroom chicken. This dish makes an excellent dinner. You can whip it up in 30 minutes, or prepare it ahead of time and freeze it for up to 1 month before use. This delicious dish is so creamy and versatile. Get ready for flavors of garlic and mushroom to fill each bite. I also got to save time and money by pairing this with zucchini noodles, instead of making an additional keto-friendly dish. My family isn't keto or low carb, but they loved it, especially my 2-year-old picky eater. It's safe to say this easy to make, low-carb hit will definitely be in my meal planning rotation. 2. Egg roll in a bowl. For a low-key night in, this egg roll in a bowl is a winner. The best part is you can prep it ahead of time and munch on it all week long. It will keep for up to 1 week in the fridge or 1 month in the freezer. The egg roll in a bowl tastes amazing. It's all the traditional flavors of the savory egg roll, but without all the added carbs and additives. It actually tastes even better the next day. This simple recipe is quick, one pan, easy, no specialty ingredients, and a family crowd pleaser. We like to switch it up with broccoli slaw instead of cabbage from time to time. Highly recommend putting this into your meal plan rotation. 3. Chicken Cobb salad with avocado lime dressing, filling and delicious. This salad will surely become a staple in your household. It can be thrown together faster than getting takeout around the corner and keeps well in the fridge if you want to prep it for a week's worth of lunches. 4. Egg muffins with sausage and vegetables, a breakfast staple for someone living on the go or for anyone who wants to pack some extra nutrients into their Wednesday morning. These egg muffins will surely do the trick. They can be made ahead of time on the weekend, so all you have to do is grab and go, and they'll keep well for up to 1 week in the fridge. 5. Chocolate fat bombs. Getting enough fats during keto can be a challenge. That's where fat bombs come to play. You can prepare these quickly as a snack option throughout the week. Double or triple this recipe and freeze until you're ready for use, or make a small batch to curb that sugar craving. Combating early keto side effects. Although this diet may be beneficial for some people, there are side effects you may encounter a few days into eating keto. One of them being the keto flu. For many people, these symptoms only last a few days, not like a real flu. However, if they continue past that or you don't feel well, listen to your body and stop the diet. Some of the symptoms people tend to experience are low energy and mental function, headaches, increased hunger, insomnia, nausea, digestive discomfort, decreased exercise performance, low libido. These symptoms are a sign that your body is transitioning and getting used to being in ketosis. To combat these symptoms or minimize them, easing into the diet might be a good place to start. You could try carb cycling 2 to 3 days per week until you're fully ready to approach the keto diet. Some people end up sticking with carb cycling because they feel it's beneficial for them. But everyone is different, so just be mindful of your body and what works best for you. Keto flu and electrolytes. As you increase your water intake and drop water weight, your electrolytes may swing out of balance and increase the intensity of your symptoms. To counter this, drink bone broth for sodium, eat sliced dried apricots with yogurt for potassium, or a piece of dark chocolate for magnesium. All about the benefits of keto. Did you know the ketogenic diet has been around for almost 100 years and was originally created for people with epilepsy by researchers at Johns Hopkins Medical Center? Alongside helping those with epilepsy, there are many other benefits of the keto diet. It's been known to reduce the risk for type 2 diabetes by reducing hormones like insulin. Insulin plays a key role in the development of not only diabetes but a plethora of other health problems, like cardiovascular disease and stroke. By following this particular way of eating, you may see improvements in your blood pressure, insulin secretion, and postprandial glycemia. Of course, more research still needs to be done on the long-term health effects of the keto diet. Another benefit of the keto diet is weight loss, which may happen quicker than you'd expect if you're having trouble with weight management. And this diet is one that won't leave you opening up your fridge multiple times, in search of foods that contain empty calories or processed ingredients. Speak with your doctor or work with a dietitian to find out if the keto diet is right for you. Thanks for watching.